This is my sound machine. Okay, it comes with this and a USB, connection so you can plug it in, and this little stand here in the back. It also comes with, if you can see, you can put your phone in or earphones in if you wanted to listen to the sounds through that. Okay, so this is the power button. Let me turn it down a little bit. Power volume up and down. This is like static. That's like a calming, like, guitar. This is the C. This is the power button. This is nature. This is like a winter stream. Winter mountain stream. And then this is my daughter's favorite, the lullaby. And it just goes over and over again until you turn it off. Now you turn it off with the power button, and you can press it once when it's on for 15-minute setting, 30-minute setting, 60-minute setting, off. Or if you want to just continuous, just turn it, the one time, turn it on the first time. We love this. It's very peaceful. She falls right to sleep. And works good for us. All right, enjoy.